In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize the Sense theme in Shopify, from editor access to publish. We'll start right inside your Shopify admin. Head to Online Store, then Themes. In your theme library, find the Sense theme and click Customize next to it. That opens the theme editor, where the preview sits on the right and your controls are on the left. This is your workspace for tweaking the look and feel of your store without touching any code. Before diving into specific pages, set your global design choices. In the left panel, open Theme Settings to adjust the elements that apply across your site. Under Colors, pick from existing schemes or create your own by clicking a color swatch and entering a hex code. Aim for strong contrast for readability and keep brand consistency in mind. Next, go to Typography. Here you can choose the heading and body fonts. Pair a bold, legible heading with a clean body font and keep sizes comfortable for mobile users. Still in Theme Settings, upload your logo. Use a high-quality image with a transparent background if possible. Then set the logo size so it's clear but not overwhelming. The focal point helps maintain alignment when the header adapts to different screen sizes. Now, customize your page sections. In the editor preview, click directly on any section of your homepage, like Image with Text, to reveal its settings on the left. Replace placeholder images with your own, add descriptive alt text for accessibility, and update the copy to match your brand voice. Use the section controls to adjust height, spacing, and color schemes so each block is easy to scan. You can add new sections from the Add Section button, remove ones you don't need, or drag sections up and down to rearrange the layout. Keep a logical flow, lead with a strong hero, follow with benefits or featured products, and close with social proof or a newsletter sign-up. As you refine, preview how changes look on desktop and mobile using the device icons at the top. When you're happy with your updates, click Save in the top right corner. Saving preserves your work in the editor. If you're working on a draft of the Sense theme and you're ready for customers to see it, click Publish to make it your active theme. Publishing replaces your current live theme, so it's smart to review key pages and check links before going live. That's it. Simple, visual, and entirely within the Shopify editor.